So we are going to do the hold and parking document. Okay. Now, this is again more useful for the end users. When we do a hold and when you do a park document. Okay. Hold document is done when we do not have enough information about the line item. And I do not have enough information about the line item. Let's say I'm posting an entry, salary account debited to. I don't know whether to post to bank account or cash account, or I have multiple bank accounts. I don't know which account to post. So in those cases, we will be using hold document, where we do not have enough information about the line item. When you do the hold document, system will ask for temporary document. Okay, that means a temporary document number, as a whoever user is holding the document, he has to give a temporary document number. Then later I can release the temporary document by after giving the second line item information, or if I do not want to use it, I can delete it. In the both case, when I release and delete, that temporary document number will be disappeared. It will be archived. Okay. So remember, a whole document is done when we do not have enough information about the line item. Okay. Based upon the user will give a temporary document number. That is a temporary document number. When I release, okay, it will post in your original document type. That it will use your general ledger original document type SA. If you delete it, the temporary document number will be deleted. The temporary document number which will be given to the whole document, for example, I gave an identification 123. I released it or I deleted it. Again, same identification, I can use it again and again. Okay. As I said, I created a whole document. I give an identification 123, and I have released that document by giving the second line information, or I deleted the temporary document number. And second time when I'm again doing the whole document, I can use the document temporary document number which I have given earlier. Okay. If I have given already the same identification, then system will not allow. But if it is released or deleted, then system will allow you to use the temporary document number again and again. There is no number range required to be maintained for the temporary document number, and temporary document number can be your alphanumeric. I can give any alphanumeric identification to your temporary document number. Any question in the whole? Now coming to the park document. Okay, park document is done when we do not have authorization to post the entry. There will be lot many entries where we do not have authorization to post. Okay, let's say because of the amount is more and we should not post, or because of the specific kind of transaction. So where I'm not authorized, the user is not authorized to post, but he has already typed the line item information. He has already typed the line item information. So what he can do at the time, he can park the document, then he can request the senior or team leader, whoever have the authorization, to release the park document. Okay, so here when we park the document, system will use document number from your SA document type. No temporary document here. From the SA document type only it will use. Once document is parked, I can edit header data, okay, then I can display, I can do the display changes, I can view the display changes, okay, I can post the path document, I can delete the. Now, whatever the document number which is used in the path document, let's say 15 or 16, whatever number is available, that same document number cannot be used even after deletion. Posted, okay, obviously the document number cannot be used. Even in the case of delete, the same document number which you have used for the path document cannot be used. Okay, so hold and park, again no configuration. This is more used for your end user activity. They use more these activities in their day-to-day life. Okay, so any questions on the hold and park document?
No question.
Okay. Then one more very simple concept is there. I'll show you all three together. Reversal. As I said, in SAP, once document is posted, original document, not template, not your hold or park document, okay, once document is posted, one original document is posted, once GL account is updated, we cannot delete it. So how to proceed with the incorrect entries? By doing the reversal only we can rectify the incorrect entry. So any posting is happened for incorrectly for the same transaction, we have to do a reversal entry, then we have to post the correct entry. In reversal, we have three process: individual reversal, mass reversal, reversal of reversal. Please. Individual reversal, one document at a time. So I cannot post more than one document. Mass reversal, multiple documents, more than one document. Can be posted. Reversal of reversal, where correct document is reversed. Again, how to reverse the incorrect reversal. So three concepts are there: individual reversal, mass reversal, and reversal of reversal. Okay, so system will post reversal entry and that particular transaction will be knocked off. That will be zero balance. Okay, so let's look these things in the SAP. Okay, Shilpa, one second, give me any of your user ID. Mine is locked.
-4. CFC4.
Password.
Marks 1 to 3.
Thanks, Vanessa.
Okay.
Well, first is your whole document. Okay, I know the first line item. Let's say I know to put the salary account. Now I realized I don't know which account to credit. Then I will hold the transaction. Document, click and hold. Then the system will ask me the temporary document number. I can give any identification. Okay, let's say Kasi. I can give any alphanumeric identification which I can remember. Then click on hold. Then you will get a message that document KASA1 was held. Okay, from F-02 I can go to held document. Okay, where I can find all the whole document, or we have a T code /n FB11. Okay, based upon the login ID. For example, I want to see some other person's whole document, change the, give his the user ID or login ID, then you can view. Okay, so my login ID is markcrp4 and give the identification. Then enter. Then system will show you the first line item which you have posted. Then here only you can give the second line item information. Document overview. Then save. Now when I save, temporary document will be deleted and original document will be created under your document type SA. Document 12 is posted. Now if I view the temporary document number, it will say document does not exist. Similarly, for example, I'll post one more temporary document and I don't want to post that entry, I can delete it. Okay, I can use the same identification again once it is released or deleted. See, Kasi one. Now again, now for example, this time I don't want to post it. Okay, let's say this whole document I don't want to post it, I want to delete it. Then click on delete. Two places here. Delete document. Now if you try to view, it will say document required. Any question in the whole document? It's pretty simple concept.
Clear. Yes. Just wanted to know, but what is value date?
When it is used,
Sorry.
Whenever, for example, let's say I posted an entry, okay, and I don't know the second line, some of the, let's say I have updated 7-8 line items, then I have given a one line, I don't know the information of one line item, then I'll just keep the whole document. Okay, then whenever I have the information, I'll update it, then I'll post it. Okay, so that whatever the information I have typed, it will not go waste. It can be used.
But is it used more in real life scenarios?
Yes, yes. Users, they use it more.
Okay.
Users are they will be using this thing more. Hi
Uh,
Apurva.
Hi, Kashi. There was problem with internet, so I could not log in.
No worries. Okay.
Yeah.
So we started. We have a good discussion. Okay.
Oh,
So we did one whole document. We can I'll explain you later that one. Okay.
okay,
So
okay,
you can look. We can we'll do the part document from here. You can.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kashi,
Any other? Yes.
yeah. When you're doing whole document also, you did give the value date. What what is
Yes.
value date?
I'll explain you that.
Yeah.
Okay. What the whole part document. Okay. Value dates. There are three dates. Actually, normally I'll explain value date when I do the foreign currency exchange because there we'll get a more clear picture. Okay. Now, but whole document date, posting date, and value date. Okay. Document date is the date on which original document is issued. Okay. So the original document when it is issued, your document date. Posting date is the date on which we update in our system. Okay, the date which entering the document in our financial or account. So, for example, let's say Friday evening some transaction took place, but I have shut down my system. I came and recorded on it on Monday. So, the original date, the transaction date is your document date. When I update in the system, that is my posting date. Okay, remember document date is the date when the original transaction took place. Posting date is the date on which I have updated the transaction into my financial accounting or control.
So
Okay,
document
now
date.
coming to the value date.
Uh, sorry, Kashi.
Yes, yes.
A document date and posting date can be same. Right.
Can be same, yes. It can be different also.
Okay. It can be same. Okay.
Yes, it can be same. Most of the time it will be same. It's a very few scenario only where document date, posting date will be different.
Okay.
Okay. Now coming to the value date, it is more for your bank transaction. For example, I'm dealing with other than my local currency, let's say US dollars. So for which date value, okay, foreign currency exchange value should be considered, will be updated in your value date.
Okay.
It can be your document date, it can be your posting date, or it can be some other date. So whenever there is a foreign currency transaction, on which dates currency value, the currency exchange value should be considered, will be updated in your value date.
Okay.
Okay, so document date is the date on which the original transaction took place. Posting date is the date, okay, on which date we update the information to our financial accounting and controlling, or indirectly say we update to our system. Value date, if there is a foreign currency transaction, then on which date the exchange value should be.
Okay. Yeah, clear, Kashi.
Okay. How about Apurva and Silpa?
Pretty much clear.
Okay, Apurva, because this is very important.
Yeah, Kashi.
Are you clear
Hello?
with the document? Are you clear with the document date, posting date, and the value date?
Oh yeah.
Okay. So Now let's come to the park document. As I said, park document is used when we do not have authorization to post the entry. When we do not have the authorization to post the entry. Okay. In the case of hold or park document, till document is released, GL accounts are not updated. Till you release the document, it is not updated. In the case of park document, system will park a document number from your SA document type. Okay, it will park a document number and it will pick the document number from your SA, that your general ledger document type. Once document is parked, I can edit the header information, I can do the display, I can have the display changes. Then if I want to post, I can post the entry. If I want to delete, I can delete the part. Okay. When I post the document, so whatever the document number we have given, the type of park, in the same document only it will be stored. If I delete, whatever the document number is assigned by the system for the park, the same document number cannot be used again. Okay. So whatever the document number I have given, whatever the document number the system gives, let's say while parking a document, I got a document number 13. Now this 13 document, if I post it, it's fine. It is used. So the 13 document, there is the line item information. But I don't want to post it. I deleted that park document. Still, you cannot use that particular document number again for any other entries. Okay. So park document is done when I do not have an authorization. Let's say I'm posting entry salary account to bank account and the amount is used as per the instruction from the seniors or as per the instruction from the leader, as per the process, I should not post. But I have already typed the transaction, so it is not necessary that you delete, you just overcome or without saving you commit. You can park it, then you can give it to your senior, you can give it to your team leader to release the park documents. Okay, so any question here?
Oh, Kashi.
We can delete it, is it? Or nothing to be reversed, right?
No, it is, see, until you have post, system is not updated to your GL account. So why reversal? Okay, if you post, then only it will update to GL account. If it is parked, it will not update to your GL account. Okay, so let's do this one in the system. In 0104, here I have both the line item information. Okay, let's just salary account, debited to bank account. Now I realized, okay, I should not post to the bank account. I can park the document, or I can go to document and park. Then system will give a document number from your SA document type itself. See, document 13. That is from my SA document. Now, see, if I want to change, go to FBV2. Double click on the line item and I can change. For example, let's say I'll reduce it and I'll post it. I've reduced it 1200 to 400. See, Then I can, there's an option for change header, yes. Okay, before going for the display, I can change the header information also. Only the header information. The document date, posting date, reference, any of the information I can change it. Let's say I'm giving tomorrow's entry. Document is in future because it is tomorrow's date. I have updated. I can do the display where I can only view it. I cannot make any changes, not to the header, not to the line item information. I can have an option for display changes. What are the changes I have done? If I want to see, I have changes to amount and posting date. If I double click on the amount, earlier it was 1200, now it is 400. Similarly, document date, fill date is 0409, if I have given 0509. Okay, now if you want to post or delete, okay, so pretty simple. With the company code, document number, fiscal year I'm not giving because we have only one year, but if you have multiple fiscal year, you have to give the fiscal year identification. Otherwise, system every time will ask, because you may have the same document number in your previous year, but in this company code you have only one fiscal year and postings are done to only one fiscal year. You want to post, click on the save button, then it will be posted. And the 13 document will be, which is part, now it will be post. That means system has updated to your GL account. If you want to view the GL account, go to FPL3N. Today's entry, document number 13 is updated. I'll post one more part document and I'll try to delete. Yes, Vanessa.
If you want to say credit into two accounts, say it was 12,000, if you change the amount, so you made it 400, and say if I want to make it another one 800. So
Yes,
okay.
we want to change the, you want to add the new GL account line item.
Yeah, yeah.
I never tried that. Let's see if it aligns.
Okay.
Because as I said, this is more for end user activity. Okay, but let's try if it is allows. Slash and FBB2. Okay. Salary account, let's say I'll change it to 3000. Document overview. Again, I'll do the 40. I'll give the rent account. Yes, it does allow. Okay. It does allow to update a additional line item also. So earlier I posted a salary to bank. Later I changed it and I updated one more line item. Okay. Now I'll save. I have made the changes. Now For example, if I don't want to post this entry, okay, so in spite of updating, save, go to document and delete. Data will be lost. Yes. Data is deleted. So you cannot view the information, but you cannot use the same document number also again. Once it is part, the document or you post or even you delete, it will not be used. So these two are more, why explain, because these are used by the end user in their day-to-day life. So when you are support, definitely if a user have some problem, they definitely ask or need your help. So you can assist them. So it will be pretty simple, but sometimes yes, they may got stuck because they are new to SAP. So you may help them by making them understanding. Most of the time when we do and then after the implementation during the training session, we do it more. Very rarely users come up with issues, but they use it very frequently. If the user is not comfortable or have some queries, you have to help them. Any questions? Hold and part document. Okay. Now let's look into the reversal process. Okay, as I said, in SAP, once document is posted, we cannot delete it. Okay, original document, not old, not path, not templates. Once an original document is posted, that means once it is updated to your GL account, once we update it to your GL account, then we cannot delete it. So we can do only a reversal. So again, reversals are three types. One is individual reversal, where one document can be reversed at a time. Mass reversal, where multiple documents can be reversed. Reversal of reversal, where, for example, a correct document is reversed by mistakenly, again you want to reverse it. Okay, so we call it as a reversal of reversal. So let's look in the system. Let's say I posted an incorrect entry, or I will take it any example. Let's say document number 1 is incorrectly posted, and I want to reverse it. FP08. So give the document number, company code, fiscal year, and the reversal reason. I'll take reversal in correct. Then if you want to view before the display, before the reversal, click on display before reversal. So this is the entry I'm reversing, which earlier salary account is debited, bank account is credited. Now when I do the reverse, salary will be credited, bank will be debited. And the system will pick the document number from the next one. For example, in SA document type, we have used already 14 documents. Now it will pick the next one, that is worth 15. Just click on save. Document 15 is. Want to view the document, go to FP03. As you see, salary account is credited, bank account is credited. Similarly, we want to do a mass reversal. Click on mass So here we can give range of documents. In the individual reversal, I can give only one document. Here I can give range of documents. And the T code is F.80. Same way, give the company code, and let's say I want to reverse 2 and 3 documents which I posted incorrectly. The fiscal year, okay, before posting, if you want to do a test run, you can keep the test run and execute. So the document will say these 2 documents are reversed. Okay, so document 2 will be reversed with 16, 3 is reversed with your 17. Want to view the document, FB03, 16, its salary is earlier it was debited, now it is credited. So again, if it is 17 for the document number 2, 16 is created, document number 3, 17 is created. So you can do a mass reversal every time. Does it is used? Yes, it is used in day-to-day life very frequently because users do error. Okay, more of this your open item clearing. When I explain you the customer and vendor, there's a process called similarly for reversal called FBRA, where we can reverse and reset. That is also another reversal tool which is used in day-to-day life very frequently.
Kashi, what is the identification that we use to reverse like multiple mass reversals? How do we,
Which identification?
like if there are many documents which are already posted, so how do I pick how they
Document number. Always document number.
Okay. I can keep on
Document
giving
number
all.
is, yes,
So
correct. Document number is only the criteria by which you can
not by the
we
date
only
or
suggest.
something.
No, we do not suggest that.
Oh,
Because if you give a date, in that date we don't know which are the entries are correct, which are entries are incorrect. So always is suggested document, because document number will be on dot, will be correct one to identify.
okay.
Now let's say reversal of reversal. I posted a correct entry. Okay. Taking my bank account. Okay. Let's say I posted a correct entry. That is document number 80. But I reversed it by mistakenly. Okay. So I reversed it incorrectly and I generated a 90. Now again I want to reverse it. Normally you use after 02, go to document, post with reference, give the document number, the second document which is generated after reversal, then select generate reverse posting. So earlier when you used to do the sample document, you were just giving the sample document number, you were not giving generate reverse posting. So now with the generate reverse posting, enter, it is a reverse. Document is posted. So a correct entry reversed incorrectly, again it is reversed. That is your reversal of reversal. Any questions here? Vanessa, Apurva.
How frequently we hello
Yes.
hello how frequently
Yes.
we use such reversals?
All these reversal are done used frequently. If they have done any incorrect entry, sometimes what happens, okay, they posted correctly because due to some system glitch, due to some interface, it is not updated. So they have to reverse it and make the postings again. For example, especially in the case of, I've seen more for your vendor payment, not for GL vendor payment. For example, let's say they already created a payment document, but due to some system glitch, okay, it has not generated the check or it has not generated the IDOC. Then they have to do all the mass reversal because hundreds, thousands of vendors will be there. So they will do mass reversal. Again, they will make the payment so that the proper document will be created. So it is used very frequently based upon. So initially, if it's a new implementation, definitely users are new. So definitely they will use more. But once they get into the system, so it reduces their uses of reverse. Okay. And then we'll keep it up to here. Practice these topics. Tomorrow we are going to do a very important topic, that is open item management. Okay, based upon the open item management, lot many concept in customer and vendor also.
Kashi, can you please postpone the class for, the day after tomorrow?